So you're gonna open your presents from Kuya?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what this is. It's so big.
Man.
I think it's like 3 pairs of shoes.
Stop bouncing on it.
Oh.
How many pair of shoes are these?
It's gotta be like.
Okay. O, dito ako Kuya sa tabi.
Oh, it's so heavy.
Ikaw ang nagbigay nito eh.
Oh.
Man, is that one pair only? What the heck?
I think it's like 5 pairs. There's no way.
Holy cow.
There might be 2 shoes in there.
I think it's gotta be like 4.
It's a legacy shoe.
Ayaw ni mami matumingin eh. Ayaw tumingin ni mami mo.
It's a box. Inside of a box.
It's a box inside the box? Holy cow. What's the size of that box? Oh, holy cow. Itabi mo na yung kuko,
Dude,
Kuya.
King James, come on now. He has to go big.
Oh, hold on. Listen to the logo. Oh, man. Lebron. You're really a Lebron fans, huh? Let me see. What's inside that box? Nothing. Okay, what's this?
Forever my king.
What's that?
Forever king.
Holy cow, Forever King. What's that? What's that? What's that? Pin for what? Let me see.
I don't know. It's kind of cool though.
Ah, you put it on the string.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I think it's a bottle.
Dude, it needs to be like a $1,000 bottle.
What's that? What's that? Let me see the cover.
All his highlights.
The cover. Oh, okay.
Show him the back.
Let
Show
me
him
see.
the back.
Forever King. Holy cow. What's that? Is there writing?
LeBron James, Path to Greatness.
Okay. Let me see the pages. Okay. Enough of that. Maybe I will see the Lebron flopping there.
You have to bask in his greatness. Look, it's his Choctaw.
and they're not putting Lebron flopping. Okay. 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 That's it. Okay,
And
that's
here's a
it.
whole schedule.
How many shoes are there? Just one shoes?
I don't know. There's gotta be like 5 here.
One pair of shoes?
Oh, I think it's
Oh.
only 1 pair.
Wait, but look, there's some other stuff in here.
Cover is that. Look at that cover.
Oh,
Ooh,
bag.
suede.
Oh, man.
Bag.
Bag?
I'm
Sweet.
thinking that's right.
I think the shoes are in here.
Holy
I
cow.
think it's 100% polyester. Oh, they're wrapped up too.
Oh, wrapped up?
We smell it. Maybe he put his foot on there.
You're right. Let me open it first. Let me open the essence.
Yeah.
Let me make sure the essence doesn't.
Can you smell his foot?
What's that?
Ooh! All white.
Oh, white? Is that the colorway you want?
All white and gold.
Chosen one.
Man.
Wait, look at the back. Look at the back.
It's got that new shoe smell.
Ooh.
What's that? What's that?
Chosen one.
Chosen? Holy cow.
We got chess pieces on here. Cause you know LeBron doesn't play checkers. He
Yeah.
plays chess.
Okay.
This one.
What's the smell? What's the smell?
That's like shoe smell. Like LeBron. Like
Okay.
LeBron sweat.
You do it like this. You rotate it 360 degrees. Okay. Holy cow. I'm just wondering how much is it.
Oh my god.
Holy cow. Okay.
Alright, that's one. Now do you
It's
think
just the same.
maybe it's a mismatch?
A mismatch? Oh, cow.
I heard it came out with some.
Oh, it's just the same.
That would be cool.
You still have to bask in gold.
That's crazy though. I really like the bottom.
Look at the detail.
Icy blue.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, look at the grip.
Man.
See, it has an infinity logo because that's how long LeBron's gonna play for.
Dude, this
You
is
see that?
like, it's like a running shoes on the inside.
No, it's 23. See that number?
Hold on.
Number 2 and 3.
Oh wait, what?
You might be right. No, you're wrong.
No, it's 23.
Is it?
No. Almost. It's like a
Those
2.
are like 2 S's.
Yeah. So what else? Wow, there's more.
Forever King.
Because you didn't open the box earlier. You got it.
Okay, that's Kuya's presents to you. So how much is it, Kuya?
Like around 150 plus tax, all the way to 250, but it's okay.
150?
Yeah. Plus tax, 250.
That big? It's just 150? I don't believe you. You're just paying the box? That's about 500?
No, it's like 200.
Believe me, it's just 150.
Who said I was gonna work? Who said I was into basketball?
What?
It's just for the looks.
Aesthetic. Look at him.
Wait, put the...
What's the size? What's the size? Cow.
What I got it.
Magkano nga, Kuya?
We were 200.
200. Maniwala ako sa laki ng box na yan eh.
No, it was 200. Like for real, for real. After
Okay.
tax. After discount.
Okay. That's good. So you're not gonna play with that shoes? You're just gonna use it for looks?
No, I'm just gonna walk around.
Walk around?
Yeah, I'm just gonna walk around and
Okay. Oh, there's an option of a different.
yeah.
Nice.
That's nice.
Okay. That's it.